Hi there, Dower here. Welcome back to our self-order kiosk series. Today we're going to be going over a quick overview of how self-ordering works on one of our 32-inch self-ordering displays. Let's get started. So here you can see we have our 32-inch self-ordering kiosk. This is a very premium model. It's the newest model that we've launched. A lot of fantastic features, but let's jump right into how the software works, and we'll go over how the actual hardware and physical unit is set up in another video. So when you're about to make an order on the self-order kiosk, this is what your customers will see. It's a screen that can be operated as a screensaver when the kiosk is not in use. So for example, if customers are walking by, no one's really using the screen, you could either run a simple image like this as kind of an introduction, or you could really use our digital signage capabilities and run videos and images and create all kinds of really unique customized content to run on the display when it's not in use. But whenever the customer's ready to order, all they do is touch to start. First question we ask them is dine-in location, so eat in or take out. Let's say they want to eat in. And then here we're presented with the menu. Now the menu is very, very easy, very straightforward to use. We have the menus on the left side that you can scroll through like that. And on the right side we have all the products. And you can see we use nice big images and thumbnails for each product to really make it appealing and enticing to the user. Let's say, for example, we tap a beef burger here. I'm just going to make a quick little customization. We'll make this a mild beef burger, add that to our order. If we scroll down to the, let's say, beverages menu, we can see some beverages available. If we click on pop cans, for example, we can see all the different kinds of pops we have. We can customize these images as well, or we could just use the group image. So let's say we choose the Coke. There's $1.50 right there. We'll get 2 of those, add that to our order. Now at any time, the customer can simply click this to open up the cart, and they can kind of see their order as they build it out live, see the tax, see the total and all of that. They can go back and make edits to items very, very easily. We've made it really, really seamless to use, so there's no way the user can get confused at all. It's just a step-by-step process. There's really no room for confusion here. It's very, very intuitive for first-time users and for customers to keep coming back over and over again. Whenever we're ready to close out, we hit done. We can review our order one more time and then proceed to check out. Here we can also set up a tip screen. Now this is a really successful system that we have implemented to essentially collect tips which you can later distribute. Because the kiosk is obviously going to be replacing somebody at the cashier, it's still a fantastic way to get tips. And based on our data, actually, people tend to tip higher on the kiosk than they do even at the cashier, just because we make it very easy with these nice big prompts, 10%, 15%, 20%, or you could do a custom amount, let's say $2.50 here. We can see our final totals down here. And then as soon as we're ready to finish, we're just going to hit finish. At this point, we would actually pay for the order just by tapping our credit card or using Apple Pay, for example. And then when the payment is complete, of course, it will print a receipt for the customer. And then you heard some action going on behind me. That was the actual order getting sent to the kitchen printers. So a printer like this would be set up at the kitchen. We could have multiple printers set up for different food stations. And we just print the chits for the preparation of the order. So we got 1 beef burger and the Coke here. And then the order can also be sent to one of our kitchen display systems. Now these are really very, very well designed, intelligent KDS systems that actually display the order live. 1 beef burger and 1 Coke right here as order number 103. And the beautiful thing about this KDS system, other than the fact that it's very inexpensive and you can implement multiple systems in your back kitchen, it's actually connected directly to our order status monitor. This is the order status monitor. So the way this works is, for example, we could have this set up on any size screen. It could be part of a menu board as well, for example, or it could be an individual screen at the front of your restaurant. And it can show orders being prepared or orders now serving. So we can see that order number 103 came in. So this is being prepared. So we're in the kitchen. We make the order. Once it's ready to go, we just hit done. And then just in a moment, it'll go from orders being prepared to orders now serving. The customer will see that, and then you can announce it and just give them their food. It's that simple. The ordering process is complete at that point. And that's pretty much it. One more thing I want to show you is you can see here, once the order was complete, we don't just let the customer go away. We actually give them the opportunity to play for a chance to win a prize or for the chance to win a coupon using Spin to Win. Now, Spin to Win is a really, really neat application. We've been using it for many, many years to generate hundreds and thousands of leads for our customers who use this system. For example, you can see a demo running over there at Tandoori Flame, and we use it at many, many restaurants where every month we get hundreds of leads coming in using this amazing system. Basically, the way it works is we get the customer to play a quick little Spin to Win game to win a prize. It could be as simple as a coupon. It could be a much larger prize. We could have the game run every week or every month, and basically whoever has the highest score at the end of the week or at the end of the month will automatically get a prize. You don't have to do anything at all. The system takes care of the whole setup. So let's have a quick look at how Spin to Win works. So I've placed my order. I'm waiting for it to be made in the kitchen, so I have a little bit of time to kill. All I have to do is enter my name and email. The great thing about this is it's a very quick way for us to get just a little bit more information from the customer, their first name, last name, their email address. That way we can send them more marketing and things like that, more offers down the road. So let's say we hit start now, and it's very quick. We just present them a nice little wheel here. Just like that, the wheel starts spinning. So that was my first spin. Here we go, I can do another one right here. Awesome, not doing too bad. 500, 300, and then one more spin to round out my final score, which is what gets saved into the system. There we go, so I got 850. So if my score is the highest, and it stays the highest for the entire week, then I get a prize. If somebody else beats it, then maybe they'll get the prize. But at the end of the day, we could always send the customer something. Even if they had a chance to play, we can always just send them a simple 5% coupon just so they win something every time. Or they could win the big prize as well, which is going to be really great. And the best part, we got their information, and so with their permission, we could obviously send them newsletters and emails and things like that with more offers to have them come back into the store. It's a fantastic email marketing tool. I think you guys are really, really going to love it. And that's a quick look at the entire ordering process from start to finish on one of the self-ordering kiosks. Thanks for tuning in.